Hi, my name's Holly Heider Chapple, and I am so happy to have you here today at Hope Flower Farm. We've been working really hard to get a launch on our new product line with Syndicate sales. This table represents several years worth of work and an advancement in the profession of floristry. These mechanics were designed so that we could move forward, creating the most beautiful works in the wedding industry and the event industry, foam-free. We are so proud of this product line and what it will mean and how it will revolutionize the floral industry. As I began to come up with a product line that would work for the profession of floristry, not only did I realize that we needed a mechanic that could be used in place of foam or chicken wire, the pillow and the egg were my first babies that we developed. But vessels and containers for the profession of floristry, we had missing pieces that we desperately needed. And so I've been able to work with Syndicate Sales to bring these product lines to life. And every single one of them has come out of a need in my profession. Being a working florist, I know what elements are missing in the profession and what it takes to design foam-free. So I'm so excited about this launch and each one of the new pieces that we're introducing. The latest development with our foam-free mechanics is the egg and the pillow have become vessels. They now hold water. What is so amazing about this development is that we're able to do low profile designs where you do not see the vessel. These are going to be so helpful when we're doing meadows on the table. Often in our event design, we're doing just this beautiful line of flowers all the way down the table. The egg will actually link to the next egg, and you can weave them around candlesticks or plates, which will be really fun too. It is available in the 6 and also in the 9-inch egg. This gives you more than enough water resource. This is a fabulous way for us to design. The larger vessels, imagine this on a flat-topped candlestick holder. A lot of the lifts and elevated stands in the profession of floristry actually have a flat top. And so prior to that, we were having to use dishes and foam. This is going to allow us to be foam-free and elevated when we're using a flat top elevated container. The other vessel that we've launched, which we're so excited about, has literally been in the making since 2019, is our oblong white container. And this vessel will be amazing on the king tables or any of your rectangular dining room tables. It gives you that beautiful elongated profile and really allows you to build out the flowers. The way it designs is so extraordinary. It comes with the 9-inch egg. You get everything all together so you're ready to go to the event. In addition to our ceramic line, we've added a stone cast line. This is fabulous because it's more affordable and can go home with guests at the end of the evening. So imagine, let's just pretend this is ceramic and you want to keep this and get this back at the end of the night. If you were to use this container that now is a vessel, then you create in this, take your ceramic vase home at the end of the evening and give this to the clients. But you also have the option of purchasing the non-ceramic vessel, the stone cast, and giving that to the guests as well. We're so excited about this product line and we can't wait to design with you. Please, as you're creating pieces and going off to weddings and events, make sure you tag Syndicate Sales and Holly Chapple and show us the beautiful things that you're creating every day. We hope this makes a difference in your life, makes it easier for you to create, makes it so that you can provide better products and services to your customers and that you're able to design foam-free.